What are celestial objects? Celestial objects are defined as any natural body outside the Earth's atmosphere. For example, satellite, asteroids, meteors, etc. The activities in this kit is a unique opportunity for kids to play astronomers. Astronomers use math, science to observe and study celestial objects. In the same way, with activity 1, 2 and 3, kids will learn how to uniquely locate a point in 3D space and to identify time taken by a signal to travel. Next activity is about communication satellite. With a network of communication satellites, TV signals and phone calls are sent upward to a satellite. Then almost instantly, the satellite can send them back down to different locations on Earth. In activity 4, kids will build their communication setup using PCB, batteries and torch to understand how signals are sent and received.